Hello students, today we learn about mastering Canvas for educational psychology concepts. It's presented by me, Amita Singh. Now, first learn to know what are the module objectives. So number 1 is understanding key concepts in educational psychology. Second one is learn to use Canvas tools like quizzes and assignments. Third one is engage with multimedia content and discussion. And the fourth one is apply psychological theories to real world scenarios. And the fifth one is collaborate with peers in discussion and project. Now we learn about what is Canvas. So Canvas is a teaching and a learning platform. It is also known as a Canvas LMS, which was developed by the instructor. As we know that online education has grown, educators have taken on the task of designing and engaging effective online classes. In this sense, this platform is very useful and act as a component of teaching and learning process. So, logo of the Canvas looks like this, and its global headquarters is in Salt Lake City, USA, and it is a learning management system which is also crucial component for teaching and learning process. Educators can also efficiently create and administer modules, pages, assignments, discussion, and quizzes using a range of question types. Now, how to create a Canvas course? For this, step 1 is to launch Canvas. Sign in through your Google account. You can also create a free account, or you can create a Google account to which you can directly sign in through your Canvas account. Step 2. After login, you can navigate to the Canvas dashboard, which look like this. And step 3, click on the Start a New Course button on the right hand side of the dashboard to start a new course. Then step 4, you have to enter the new course in the space provided. And step 5 is to select the format blended or online which suit best to your course. And the step 6 is create a course and click on the Create Course button to proceed. Then the step 7 is the course home page. Following the establishment of your course, you will able to see the course home page. Then step 8, by choosing the setting option, you can modify the course's start and end date, description and image. Step 9, to set up, choose the module tab. How to create a designing effective Canvas content. So, first one is a module structure plan. In this, we can set the learning objectives, logically divide the content with clear and separate headings, or write an engaging or clear context. We can also avoid technical terms and sentence structure that are concise, and divide the text into short paragraphs and bullet point using headings. Second one is visuals, which consist photographs and image. We can use suitable images in the form of diagrams, charts, infographics, and others to enrich our content. We can ensure that the files are also between the 100 to 300 KB. You can also use the multimedia such as audio or video to help reinforce important ideas. And the third one is promote communication among students. To keep a student interested, we can also use discussion boards, homework and tests, or include the interactive components such as multimedia projects or polls. And we can also use detailed language and directly embed media. Now, How to utilize Canvas tools for engagement. First one is examinations. So for examination, we can create a multiple choice or short answer knowledge checking questions or use automated grading and question bank for efficiency and randomization. Second one is discussion. For discussion, we can post open-ended questions to encourage peer involvement, use multimedia videos, links to enrich our discussions. Depending on participation, provide feedback and issue grades. Third one is activities. Give students homework such as essays or projects. Use rubrics for clear grading and allow peer review to promote teamwork. How Canvas influence teaching and learning process. For this, we can provide flexibility for students to learn anytime and anywhere, enables mobile-friendly access, making education more accessible, facilitates communication through discussion boards and messaging, supports collaboration through group projects and peer reviews, organizes course material clearly for easy navigation, simplify assignment submission and grading process. That's all students. Thank you for listening the class.